Black Lightning 01 here, and I'm gonna review Raging Blast 2 from the Dragon Ball Z series of games. Dragon Ball Z Raging Blast 2 was infinitely better than Dragon Ball Z Raging Blast 1 for the sole purpose of the combo system, graphics, and the effects per destruction in the level. The fact that you can knock somebody down in the earth and the earth breaks apart and they are in it is freaking awesome. And the rage mode, I feel like everybody shouldn't have a rage mode to that extent. I'm pissed that they can still let a Cyberman compete with Super Saiyan 3 Goku. I mean, they should have fight modes where everybody can fight each other like that, and they should have true storyline mode where you could fight. And if you have Goku and a Cyberman, the Cyberman would have to take like years to literally do like 1,000 damage to Goku. And Goku's flick should be able to explode the Cyberman's internal organs inside out his ass. I'm just saying. And the combo system gets a little repetitive. Everybody's is different, but it's like everybody can almost do the same thing because it's your big characters, Broly, Bojack, Android 13. They kind of fight similar, and everybody small has their own little different attributes that you can add from the signature moves. You can add your own little twist in, but as far as everything else, Raging Blast 2 is a good game. If you are a fan of Dragon Ball Z games and you don't have it, get it. It's fun, it's worth it. The story mode, that galaxy mode where you have to beat the game with every character, it's not bad, but it's not the greatest. I would rather play as a storyline and actually do things how they actually happen. And why don't they add the side missions that happen in the Dragon Ball Z series in the game? Why don't they stop wasting time going from the Saiyan Saga to the Buu Saga and make everything in one game? It has to be on 2 discs, like Enter Matrix on the GameCube. Make it the longest final Dragon Ball, well, not the final Dragon Ball Z game, but make it the longest, most epic Dragon Ball Z game ever. Because I got a comment in one of my last videos saying that the new Ultimate Tenkaichi is like rock, paper, scissors. I think that's true, and I've noticed this number one thing. Every new Dragon Ball Z game that's came out for the new systems has been easier and easier to do a combo. I remember on Tenkaichi 3, you could punch them with, okay, like you could XXX, down triangle to trip them, up triangle to knock them up, follow up with, I forgot, I think it's the jump, the X button to follow up to him, and you hit Y to stun him a little bit, and you keep pressing the attack button to attack him. You know, boom, 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 trip up, boom, you go, bow. Like you used to be able to do that yourself, but on the Tenkaichi, no, excuse me, on the Raging Blast series, you trip him up and you hit the attack button. He goes up there and attacks him himself. I'm used to doing that myself. Everything has gotten easier. The comboing has gotten easier. They need to not make it easier and give them more combos and more options of combos. Tenkaichi 3 was amazing. You could fly at them, you could super fly at them and go behind them, punch them, teleport farther away and like thunder strike them. I remember all that. I will go buy that game again if I get a PS3 and play it, beat it from the beginning, fuse all the little capsules and make all my characters over again. I will do that. It's worth it. I will beat Tenkaichi 3 over and over again until my games burn and rot. Tenkaichi 3 was that good. Why don't they just take Tenkaichi 3, put it with new graphics, add a little more combos, add a few more beams and whatnot. Bingo. You have the best Dragon Ball Z game in life right there. That's all you need. They should add a little bit more freedom, a little more randomness. You should be able to become a Super Saiyan without the somatics. I would love, like, if somebody shoot a beam at me and I'm in the midst of going Super Saiyan, I should be able to use my aura from becoming a Super Saiyan to use it as a force field. Like, just, you can have Goku. Like, if you pick the original Goku, and now he only has Super Saiyan 1 from the Frieza saga, and let's say you shoot beams of keys at me, I should be able to sit there, my key to charge up, and like, it should be bigger, thundering, Maybe some clouds and rocks will come up. It needs to be a little more epic, but no movie cinematics. Certain things, movie cinematics, yes. Like how in the Raging Blast 2 series, when you punch them, sometimes it goes in and boom. That's nice. That's okay. But at least I'm doing that myself. I don't need no cinematics to give me 3 options. These options for punch, light punch, or knock them away. I don't want no options. I want to be able to see that and do that myself. Not when I like, no, I'm sorry. No, you should be able to do every single thing yourself. Nothing should be automatic. Tenkaichi 3, you could do it yourself. I'm sorry, I'm going off the thing in Raging Blast 2. Raging Blast 2 is a good game. The beams, I miss charging up with the back button and shooting with the back button plus the disc button. It made you feel better. Flicking, you might flick by mistake. You're not hitting the charge button and hitting the Y or X button by mistake. You're not doing it. I be trying to explain to my friends, oh, you shoot by flicking that. That's kind of backwards. I want to shoot, hold that, and forward, and boom, I'm shooting them. Dragon Ball Z Raging Blast 2, good game. I ain't got nothing too much bad to say about it. It needs more combos, needs more characters. They need to make a Raging Blast 3, and that game will be amazing. Hit me up. What y'all want to see? Let me know. Let me know.